So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where I'm going to give you a best site that you can use to download multiple softwares in one click on your Windows or any other laptops or computers. Now, in order to do it, just simply open any of the browser you have. You can choose any browser. First of all, just simply open any of the browser, and here you have to go to this website that is ninite.com. You can check the spelling as well. It says ninite.com. And once you are here, you simply need to select just simply check mark all the software that you want. For example, I want Google Drive, I want let's say Chrome, I want Zoom, Discord, Teams, VLC, and everything I want. I just simply need to check it in, and once I do it, I just simply need to scroll down. Let's say this is also important, that is WinRAR. Just simply click on this option of get your 9net, and all these software install automatically. You just simply need to wait and watch them to get downloaded on your systems. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.